Writing the perfect salutation, a key step in your cover letter. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to discuss a crucial part of writing a cover letter, which is the salutation. The salutation is the greeting you use at the beginning of a letter or email. It's the first thing the reader sees, so it's important to make a good first impression. A salutation is a greeting that starts off a letter or an email. It typically follows the recipient's address and precedes the body of the message. The salutation in a cover letter can set the tone for the rest of your letter. It shows respect and consideration for the person who will be reading your letter. Depending on the context, you may use formal or informal salutations. For cover letters, it is highly recommended to use formal salutations. The most common formal salutation is, "Dear," followed by the person's title and last name. For example, "Dear Ms. Smith," or "Dear Dr. Johnson." If you don't know the person's gender, you can use their full name, as in, "Dear Jordan Peters." In contrast, informal salutations, such as, "Hi," or "Hello," followed by the person's first name, are generally reserved for people you have a casual relationship with. Remember, in a professional context like a cover letter, it's better to err on the side of being too formal, rather than too informal. In some cases, you may not know the name of the person you're addressing. In this situation, use a generic salutation like, "Dear Hiring Manager," or "Dear Company Name, Team." Avoid outdated expressions like, "To whom it may concern," which can sound impersonal and out of touch. Sometimes, you may encounter special cases where a standard salutation won't work. For instance, if you're addressing multiple people or if the recipient has a specific title. In these cases, research the correct form of address. For multiple recipients, you might use "Dear Hiring Committee," or "Dear Selection Panel." For specific titles, such as a judge or a mayor, use their official title, "Dear Judge," last name, or "Dear Mayor," last name. There you have it. The right salutation can set a professional tone, show respect, and personalize your cover letter. Remember, the salutation is the first thing the recipient reads, so make it count. As always, keep practicing and never hesitate to look up proper etiquette if you're unsure. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to helping you master more English writing skills in the next video. Keep learning,